Introducing the Cypher MIS screw system, featuring translation screw technology, a revolution in MIS screw procedures. Dual lead thread form maximizes bone purchase. 3 mm of medial to lateral translation. Less stress at the bone to screw interface. The V-notch connection feature creates a robust implant instrument interface. A large axial tower opening provides a large window for rod passage. The rotational closure mechanism instills confidence of implant engagement. Powerful threaded rod reducers are captured to provide thrust in one direction. Following standard technique for pedicle targeting and preparation, the guide wires are placed in the pedicles as indicated. Guide the assembled screw tower construct over the guide wire and insert the screw to the desired depth. Repeat the steps for the subsequent pedicle screws. Based on the natural trajectory of the pedicles, the screw heads are not aligned perfectly. The Cypher system features a unique rod length caliper, which provides 2 readings to ensure accurate rod length measurement. The power of the translation screw technology is unleashed during rod insertion, as the screw heads will align as the rod is sequentially introduced. Rod passage can be performed in either direction, proximal to distal or distal to proximal. It may be necessary to elongate the incision to allow for proper overhang and placement of the rod. Upon full seating of the rod, helical flange set screws are introduced. If the rod is not fully seated, the rod reducer is introduced to help persuade the rod into the screw seat. The helical flange set screws can be introduced through the rod reducer. Upon introduction of the helical flange set screw, remove the rod reducer from the screw tower. Perform final tightening of the set screws prior to removal of instrumentation. Cypher MIS screw system, a seamless combination of intuitive instrumentation and cutting-edge implants. Game-changing translation screw. 3 mm of medial lateral translation encourages optimal screw placement, less rod manipulation, easier rod introduction, and versatile instrumentation. Robust implant interface instills confidence throughout the procedure. Powerful rod reducers support controlled, sequential rod reduction. Less stress at the bone-to-screw interface.